detox, all the teas, all that. What are you talking about? All that shit add up. It's a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle. Okay? Make it a lifestyle. That's how you maintain. And I'm mad because I ain't been to the gym yet all week. What's the best detox? Man, I work out when I do work out, I only work out for an hour. I don't be doing all that 2 hours. I can't see why people be in the gym all day. Like, that shit is ridiculous. All you need is for real, you can work out every day for 30 minutes and be straight. 15 minutes, for real. You just gotta work that body. You gotta work them muscles. Work them muscles, work muscles you don't never work for real, that you never use. And work your body for real. All you gotta do. Stretch. This side is really sore. Work that body. Work that body. I'm black and white. But that shit don't matter to me. For real, you know what else I really do still? Like, especially when I'm at home and stuff. I drink a lot of tea. Or you can do coffee. You can do just black coffee. Straight. Just black coffee. That's a good... Black coffee. Straight black coffee is a good detox. And then tea is a good detox. Don't put all that sugar in it. Don't do none of that. Just straight coffee, whatever coffee that whatever tea that you like, drink it straight. You can add a little bit of honey or whatever, but I don't even do that for real. I do straight tea, and then I do straight black coffee. You can do some honey if you need. If you need some honey, if you need a little sweetener, honey. Do the honey. Don't put no sugar in that shit. That's defeating the purpose. No sugar. Okay? You're detoxing. Another good detox. Am I vegan? No, I'm not vegan. But I eat a lot of vegan food, but I'm not vegan. I'm pescatarian. But vegan food be busting though. I think since I've just been on this pescatarian stuff for 2 years, I'm just so, like, my taste buds is just so used to it. It had to get some getting used to, for sure. Like the taste, but it's all about the seasoning though. Like how you season it and like what you pair your vegan food with makes a big difference. Like I made some vegan meatloaf the other day with some homemade mashed potatoes and some fresh green beans. And I made it just like I made my meatloaf, just like how they would use it with regular turkey or beef meat. I use my meatloaf seasoning. I use all my little seasonings, my ketchup, my brown sugar, all that good stuff. Put everything in my meatloaf, my green peppers, my onions. And, you know, I baked it just like some regular. And it was so good. I actually used my mama's recipe, and it was so good. So yeah.
Wait, I need this tissue.
Period.
Why the fuck they didn't put no
It's crazy because the girl who was it was a girl that was trolling yesterday, and it's crazy because I know exactly who it is. Like, and it's just funny. Like, bitch, like you just trolling, and I know who she is. This is the second time that I found out like who was really trolling on my page, and I actually knew who the person was. But you always kind of like really know them for real, or you think you know them, or you think they know you. Biggest haters. What's your question? What's your question? What's your question?
This is true. So it's like, you know what I'm saying? Like, and that's all I would say about that. But people don't know. They don't like the key DLC. But they'll say, what I'm learning about, I admit it. You're an innovative trapper. Something like that. You just winking me? Fuck. It makes you blush. But, I mean,
Dang,
All right, y'all.